In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly combine videos and photos using Kapwing. This fantastic online tool allows you to create dynamic video content with just a few clicks, whether you're piecing together a family vacation montage or assembling clips for a professional project. Let's dive right in and explore how to use Kapwing to its full potential. To begin, head over to kapwing.com. You'll find this website offers a range of multimedia editing tools, but for today, we are going to focus on combining videos and photos. Once you're on the site, look for the Create New option. Clicking this will start you on your journey to making an impressive video compilation. Now that you're ready to start creating, the next step is to upload your media. You'll want to locate and click on Upload Media, which is your gateway to bringing in all the videos and photos you've chosen. You can select multiple files at once, which means all those memorable clips and images can be added with ease. Choose them all and let Kapwing start uploading them for you. Once your files have loaded into the project, you'll see them listed, and it's time to start crafting your narrative. You'll do this by dragging each file into the timeline in the precise order that matches your vision for the final product. The timeline is your storyboard, where each clip or image is a chapter in your story. Feel free to experiment with placing them until it feels just right. If you realize some clips are longer than necessary, or if the order needs a bit of a switch up, don't worry. Adjusting the length of a clip or trimming it is a breeze with Kapwing. Simply click on each clip to select it and utilize the trimming tools to cut out any unwanted sections. Rearranging is just as simple. Just drag and drop the clips to rearrange them to your liking. With the structure of your video now in place, it's time to add those extra elements that will elevate your project. You have the option to add text overlays, highlight key moments, or include titles and subtitles wherever you see fit. Adding music is another great touch, and it's easy to insert an audio track to set the mood or pace of your video. Choose a soundtrack that complements the visuals and enhances your audience's experience. Once you've edited and are happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's crucial to preview your project to ensure everything flows seamlessly from start to finish. If it's all looking good, the final step is to export your project. You can do this by clicking on Export Project, and Kapwing will take care of the rest, rendering your masterpiece into a format that's ready to be shared with the world. And that's it. You've combined your videos and photos smoothly using Kapwing. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.